Omar, what do you do?
I do a business.
And you're playing cricket today.
Yes.
You know it's the election season,
Yep.
and it's been 5 years since Article 370 was abrogated.
True.
What is your assessment of Kashmiri voter today? As a voter, are you going to participate in elections?
Definitely.
You will.
I will.
What is the change that you have witnessed in the last 5 years in Kashmir?
This time, I think people should vote for the one who is gonna bring us employment and livelihood.
Well, I wanted to know whether you're going to cast your vote or not.
To be honest, I haven't cast any vote till now, and I don't want
How
to
old
cast.
are you?
I'm about 40 now.
And you have never cast your vote.
No.
Are you going to cast your vote this time?
No, not this time. Also, there is a reason for it because these politicians are not very honest.
None of the politicians.
None of the politicians. They take the side. They take the side for the maybe a parliament member who will give them the benefit most, and they don't benefit the people.
So nobody, neither National Conference nor PDP nor Apni Party are really working for the welfare of people.
Nobody is working for the welfare of the people. You might have seen what is the development here. There's nothing much development. What has been is at a very slow pace. It should have been much more than that. What?
आपका नाम जान सकते हैं?
Nasir.
नसीर, आपकी उम्र क्या है?
I'm 38.
और आप क्या करते हैं?
I work with a corporate, Valiant Business Media. We host trade shows internationally.
Fantastic. So tell me, in this election season, what is the change that you are witnessing in Kashmir?
Well, to be very honest with you, I don't follow politics and I'm least interested in that.
जी मेरा नाम ज़ैद है
ज़ैद, आप क्या करते हैं?
अभी स्टूडेंट की
कितनी उम्र है आपकी?
27
ज़ैद, आप वोट करने वाले हैं? अभी इलेक्शंस हो रहे हैं यहाँ
जी
पे।
वोट तो करेंगे
वोट करेंगे?
जी
क्या ये पहली बार आप वोट करेंगे कि पहले
जी
भी
पहली
वोट?
बार करना है वोट
पहली बार।
जी।
तो ऐसा क्या है कि आप पहली बार कन्विंस हो गए कि आपको वोट करना चाहिए?
वोट तो करना ही ज़रूरी है वोट तो अपना राइट है अभी तो एक पार्टी चूज़ करनी है हमें
अच्छा।
वोट तो करना ही पड़ेगा
क्या इश्यूज है जिन पे आप वोट करेंगे?
इश्यूज तो बहुत सारे हैं जैसे कि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है वैसे ही बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं तो इस वजह से हम सोच रहे हैं कि वोट करना है एक पार्टी को हमें जिताना है जो हमारे सपोर्ट में रहेगी फिर एंड में
पिछले 5 साल स्पेशली जब से आर्टिकल 370 एब्रोगेट हुआ है तब से क्या लग रहा है, क्या ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, क्या चेंज आया है कश्मीर में?
चेंज तो बहुत सारा आ गया चेंज तो है
कैसे?
डेवलपमेंट हो गया जी बहुत सारी चीज़ें
We don't believe in politics here at all.
Okay.
Because I have seen nothing. I'm 23 right now. I have seen nothing except shutdowns, killings, nothing else. And I have never cast a vote till I'm 23 right now. Didn't cast a single vote.
You know, different youths have different perspective. Ibrahim's perspective is different. Mine perspective is different.
What's your perspective?
First of all, let me tell you about the question that you asked Nasir bhai about will you going to be,
Vote.
cast the vote?
Yeah.
My answer straight away will be that yes, I will going to cast my vote. You know, there are numerous reasons for that. It's not like that. You know, we have different geopolitical situations, but the situation that currently is in India, it's very dark. If you look at the situation down the line 10 years, it's going to be hard for India. So it's must for every Indian, every Kashmiri to vote for a change, to vote for education, to vote for unity. So that's how my perspective goes.
Thank you. Well, the opinion among youth in Kashmir seems to be divided. While as a number of youth are now interested in voting, which is a departure from the last 30 years of trend where youth would hardly cast their vote, it seems the trend has changed and now there is more interest in exercising the right to vote in Kashmir. This is Aarti Tikku from Eidgah, one of the hotbeds of separatism and separatist violence, where people hardly ever came out to vote on voting day.
For such fine news breaks and video features from ground on your mobile phones, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The New Indian, by clicking on the bell icon. Also, follow us on the social media handles on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Cool.